Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do some tinkering here on the Vader. I ordered the head pipe off of eBay, and then I got the silencer from Amazon, and I'll run in and grab it here in a minute, but we'll get started. Pulling this off here, and I can't wait to hear how it sounds. It should make it run a lot better. It's already got the Nibby carb on it, so 17-2 sprocket, and that's pretty much it. It's all stock for now. I think I'm going to do a 212 swap on it. So let's get started here. Alright, so I had to end up taking the plastic loose to get to that one bolt down in there, which is not a big deal. Might go ahead and put my USB charger on while I got some of the plastic off. Other than that, it's going pretty smooth. I got that thing off, the header, and yeah, we'll just get this here off. I got that one off, and we should be ready for the new head pipe and muffler. Hopefully I don't need to make a bracket there for that. I took my back pegs off. The vibration, they keep flipping down and annoyed me, so I pulled those ones off. Alright, let's get to it. Why, that one's shot. Hopefully I got the right one. Got some new copper. There we go. Which way they go? That one. We'll put it that way. Well, we get this put on and then wipe it down with alcohol so we don't have any fingerprints on it before it gets hot. Ooh. What do we got here? That in. We have to bend that? Right on that thing. Kinda sucks. I think we gotta bend it just a touch. Right there. Let me see if I can tweak that a little bit. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I had to heat this up, bend this a little bit to get it to clear because it kept hitting up here on the motor, but I got it. We'll give her a shot anyway, and I cut that, drilled that because I just didn't want it in there, but it's pretty decent I think for the amount of money it is. So let me get some alcohol and we'll wipe this thing down and fire it up, see what it sounds like. Alright guys, neighbors are playing music. Let's get this wiped down with some exhaust so we don't have any, or alcohol so we don't have any fingerprints. It didn't turn out too bad. Like I said, I just had to heat that and bend it a little bit. So it was hitting down here. Let's see if she'll fire up. Alright guys, I got my exhaust on. Going out for a quick rip here before it decides to rain again. Feels a little peppier. Speedometer seems to be about 10 miles an hour off. Well guys, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe, share. We're almost up to 1,000 subscribers. It's awesome. I can't believe how quick it's growing. Got a little pop to it. I think it's running a lot better now. Let's see what's happening down this way. Oh, somebody's been doing some drag racing out here. That's one way to close the road. I can't believe it pops like that. That's wide open. 50. Don't sound too bad. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe.